Good afternoon, everyone. In examination, they ask what is Russell-Sanders coupling or LS coupling or JJ coupling. In the short question, they ask individually what is LS coupling or spin orbital coupling or Russell-Sanders coupling, or they ask JJ scheme or JJ coupling. The overall question is spin orbital coupling is two types. First one is Russell-Sanders coupling and spin orbital coupling and JJ coupling. What is meant by Russell-Sanders coupling here? RLS coupling. This is a coupling of total orbital angular momentum L with total spin angular momentum of S to give total angular momentum of J. So here it is it's nothing but L value. How can we get? We add of small values L, small L1. It is nothing but they add all the L values of the individual electrons. We get capital L and all small L. So for example, for example T2 configuration we fill it to trans. So half plus of 1. So for the S value of the particular orbital is 1. So again the L value you can calculate the based on the L value based on the orbital quantum number. You can total for that and give L plus S is nothing but total angular momentum of J. So this Russell-Sanders coupling or LS coupling is applied from the light elements. Is nothing but less atomic number of coupling first, and involves the independent coupling of individual orbital angular momentum to give capital L, and then the independent coupling of individual spin angular momentum they give capital S. Okay, for example we get for the P2 configuration. How can we write the P2 configuration? We have 2 electrons here. Okay, so here the L value plus or minus L value is equal to 1 for the p orbital. L value is plus or minus L, plus 1 and minus 1 you can write. Again we add these electrons, 1 into 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 into 0 0 plus 1 into 0 1. So the L value is nothing but 1. Again for the S value is nothing but half plus half. The possibility half plus half is nothing but 1. Again another possibility is these electrons are maybe in the one shell. This is another possibility. We can write 0, minus 1 and plus 1. So again 2 electrons, 2 into plus 1, 2. So the possibility of L value is 2, 1. Again 0. How can we get the L value is 0 means all the electrons are filled in the sub levels. Again we are that in that case, so half minus of in that case the S value of 0. So they have different L values. Again we different S values. We combine these two, 2 plus 1. Again it is 2 plus 1 or 2 plus 0 or 1 plus 1 or 0 plus 0. So anything we get the J values 3, 2, 1 or 2, 1, 0 and J is equal to 1. So it is L is equal to 1, S is equal to 1, we get different L values. So this is how they get the total J value of based on the total spin angular momentum and total orbital angular momentum. What is the total degeneracy of the particular term? Here the composite L and S values are quantized. How they quantized? For the S value, L value is equal to 1. Here we can write 2 into 1 plus 1, we get 3 values. So here we get 3 values of L values. Again, what is about MLS? So they have a small S value you can write. Again 2 into, for example your 1 you can write the small S value of half into half, it again 2 get cancelled, 1 plus 1. Okay, so here the degeneracy of the particular orbital 2L plus 1, the degeneracy of spin 2S plus 1. Again the total degeneracy of the particular term is 2L plus 1 into 2S plus 1. How can we calculate these terms? For example, you take the P2 configuration. The terms derived from the P2 configuration already I done in the previous class. The terms letters for the P2 configuration is triplet 3 icon. Can you take this triplet P? What about the S value here? Half plus half. Again 1. So 2 into 1 plus 1, 3. Again what is the L value here? For the p orbital it is 1, but the d orbital it is 2. Can you write 2 into 2 plus 1? The total degeneracy of the particular orbital is 3 into 5, again 15. So here we can calculate based on the term letter and the particular L value of the particular term. We can write that total degeneracy of the term. So anything the configuration is undergoes interelectronic repulsions, we give terms. These terms undergo spin-orbital coupling, we get states. Again they undergoes Zeeman effect, we get microstates. What about JJ coupling scheme means? The Russell-Sanders coupling, small s values coupled give capital S and small l values coupled to give capital L. It is also possible for the small l and small s. For a single electron to couple to give small j, L and S, these two are coupled and give small j value. The total angular momentum, for example, 4 electrons. So here 1 electron plus 1 electron. So we can total is that again 2 electrons. This j and j is coupled and 2 plus 2, 4 electrons. So these small j values of each electron may couple to give capital J total angular momenta. It is in heavier atoms or ions, nuclear charge is highly enough to force to couple of the small l and small s of individual electrons to give J, and then the J values will couple to give capital J. So ఈ సింగిల్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ అన్నాడు కాబట్టి, సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ you take the L value of 1 and S value also 1, you can couple these two, we get 2. It is a small j, for example it is 2, again this small j and this small j is coupled, 2 plus 2 is nothing but 4 electrons. Okay, so this type of coupling is known as called as JJ coupling. So for experimentally fact, it is also has been reculate that interelectronic repulsions decreases significantly from 3D to 4D and 4D to 5D. Why? Because the size is increases. As a result, the spin orbital coupling becomes much larger than the interelectronic repulsions. Why? Because the size is increases, so they have the more space to gather. So their spin orbital coupling is perturbation is come forward compared to the interelectronic repulsion. So the configuration, the first expressed with spin orbital coupling perturbation to give levels, then levels gives the perturbation by interelectronic repulsions to give sublevels, and these in the presence of the magnetic and electrical field gives microstates. The configuration undergoes spin orbital coupling levels, the interelectronic repulsions give sublevels, and it undergoes Zeeman effect, they give microstates. Non-transition elements are exactly conformations to the JJ coupling scheme. The 4D and 5D metals LS coupling as fails. Many metal atoms does not conform to either type of coupling scheme are required sometimes in between them. Okay.